এ পর্যায়ে ইংরেজি কবিতা আবৃত্তি নিয়ে আসছে সেন্ট্রাল ল্যাবরেটরি স্কুল এর শিক্ষার্থী রেদওয়ানা করিম। সম্মানিত সুধী রেদওয়ানা করিম।
Assalamu alaikum. Here I am Redona Karim to recite a poem of Maya Angelou, Still I Rise. You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still, like dust, I will rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with glow? 'Cause I walk like I have got the gold. Still, I will rise. Did you want to see me broken? Bowed head and lowered eyes? Won't you take it awful hurt? 'Cause I laugh like I have got gold, digging in my own backward. You may shoot me with your eyes. You may kill me with your words. You may cut me with your hatefulness. But still, like air, I will rise. Out of the heart that the history's shame, I rise. Up from a past that's rooted in pain, I rise. I am a black ocean, leaping and wide, swelling and welling I bear in the dark. Leaving behind the terror and fear, I rise. Bringing the gifts that my ancestor gave, I rise. I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise, and I rise. Thank you.